lovely people, welcome to Everything Crochet and More. I'm your host Heya Patel, and this is the part 5 of our Crochet the SONA Centrepiece. So in part 4 we finished with our rounds 8 and 9, and in part 5 we'll be making rounds 10 and 11. So let's begin with our round 10. Now our round 10 begins with chain 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Chain 8 done, yarn over once and a double crochet stitch in the next chain 2 space. So put your hook under that next chain 2 space like so, and a double crochet. That done, followed by again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 chains done. Skip the next group of front post double treble stitches and 1 double crochet stitch in the next chain 2 space like so. Now that done, followed by again chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 5 done, followed by and put your hook under the next chain 2 space like so, and a double crochet, followed by again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And yarn over once, and in the next chain 2 space 1 double crochet. That done, followed by again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I almost forgot, in round 9 we have 8 4s are 32. So 32 groups of 4 front post double treble stitches and 7 into 4, 28 chain 2 spaces and 4 chain 1 spaces. So that was the stitch count of our round 9. I forgot to do the stitch count in the earlier video. Okay, so that done. Now let's continue with our round 10. So chain 5 done, again yarn over once and put your hook under the next chain 2 space and a double crochet. That done, followed by again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, yarn over once, put your hook under the next chain 2 space like so, and a double crochet. That done, followed by again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, followed by again yarn over once and put your hook under the next chain 2 space like so, and a double crochet. Now that done, followed by chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 chains done and a single crochet in the next chain 1 space like so. Now that done. Now with this we finish with the first repetition of our round 10. So here in the first repetition we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 chain 5 loops and 2 loops of chain 8 and 7 double crochet stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So first repetition done. After this single crochet stitch we'll be making everything from chain 8 to 7 double crochet stitches, followed by 7 chain 5 loops, and we'll finish with an 8 chain loop followed by a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. So let's finish making the second repetition. So as I said earlier, we'll begin with chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chains done, yarn over once, put your hook under the next chain 2 space and a double crochet, followed by again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over once and put your hook under the next chain 2 space and a double crochet, followed by again chain 5 and put your hook under the next chain 2 space and a double crochet, followed by again chain 5 and put your hook under the next chain 2 space and a double crochet, followed by again chain 5 and put your hook under the next chain 2 space and a double crochet, followed by again chain 5 and yarn over once and put your hook under the next chain 2 space and a double crochet, followed by again chain 5 and put your hook under the next chain 2 space and a double crochet. So here we finish with our 7th double crochet stitch and we've reached the end of our second repetition. So now here we'll be making a loop of chain 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 chains done. Let's count 2 to 4, 4 to 6 to 8. Okay, now that done. Now we'll finish our second repetition with a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. So put your hook under that chain 1 space like so and a single crochet. Now with this we finish with the second repetition as well, and we'll be doing the same thing 2 more times to finish with the remaining 2 repetitions. So let's finish with the remaining 2 repetitions. The remaining 2 repetitions are done and this is what it looks like. Now let's give it a stretch like so. Now that done. Now here I've made the last chain 8 loop and now here we'll be making a single crochet stitch in the next chain 1 space like so to finish with our 4th repetition. Now that done, we will finish our round 10 with a slip stitch in the first chain stitch of the first chain 8 loop of this round. So put your hook in the first chain stitch like so and make a slip stitch. With this we finish with our round 10 and this is what it looks like. Now let's give it a stretch like so. Now that done, let's begin with the round 11. Round 11 begins with a slip stitch in the next chain stitch of the same chain 8 loop. So put your hook in the next chain stitch like so and a slip stitch, followed by again a slip stitch in the next chain stitch. So put your hook in the next chain stitch and a slip stitch. That done, followed by again a slip stitch in the next chain stitch like so. Now that done, followed by chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over once and now put your hook under the remaining part of the same chain 8 loop like so and we'll be making 5 double crochet stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 double crochets done, followed by yarn over twice and we'll be making 1 front post triple crochet stitch in the next double crochet stitch. So put your hook behind the next double crochet stitch and bring the hook forward like so from behind and yarn over once and pull the hook, pull the thread behind and bring it forward and upwards like so, followed by yarn over once and pull through once, twice and thrice, making 1 front post triple crochet stitch. Now that done, followed by 5 double crochet stitches in the next chain 5 loop. So put your hook under the next chain 5 loop and make a double crochet, again a double crochet, again a double crochet. 3 done, 2 more to go, 4 and 5. 5 double crochets done, followed by again yarn over twice and put your hook behind the next double crochet stitch and make 1 front post triple crochet like so. That done, followed by again yarn over once and 5 double crochet stitches in the next chain 5 loop like so. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 double crochets done, followed by again yarn over twice and 1 front post triple crochet stitch in the next chain, in the next double crochet stitch like so. That done, followed by again yarn over once and 5 double crochet in the next chain 5 loop like so. 3, 4 and 5. 5 double crochets done, followed by again yarn over twice and 1 front post triple crochet stitch on the next double crochet like so. That done, followed by again 5 double crochet on the next chain 5 loop like so. And 5. 5 double crochets done. Now almost half of the first repetition is done, and this is what it looks like. Now that done, followed by yarn over once, yarn over twice and 1 front post triple crochet on the next double crochet stitch like so. That done, followed by again yarn over once and 5 double crochet on the next chain 5 loop like so. Now that done, followed by again chain 2 and a front post, drop a front 1 front post triple crochet stitch on the next double crochet like so. And done. Now that done, again yarn over once and 5 double crochet on the next chain 5 loop like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 double crochets done, followed by again yarn over twice and 1 front post double crochet, 1 front post triple crochet stitch on the next double crochet like so. That done, followed by again yarn over once and 5 double crochet stitch in the next chain 8 loop. So put your hook under that chain 8 loop and a double crochet. Again a double crochet. 2 done, 3 more to go. So 3, 4 and 5. 5 double crochet is done, followed by chain 3. And with this we finish with the first repetition of our round 11. And this is what it looks like. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 repetitions of 5 double crochet stitches followed by chain 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7 repetitions of 1 front post triple crochet stitch in 1 repetition, and we'll be making 3 more such repetitions. So let's finish making the remaining 3 repetitions. So the remaining 3 repetitions are done, and this is what our round 11 looks like. Now do not worry if you find a few ripples or frills in the round 11. It will settle down as we go further. As you can see, the core here has begun settling down. I haven't done anything. I haven't even pushed it down, but as you can see, it is gradually settling. So like that. our round 11 will also stretch and settle down as we go further. So now let's finish our round 11 with a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch here. So put your hook in that first double crochet like so and make a slip stitch. With this we finish with our round 11. Now let's give it a good stretch. Like so. Now that done. Now in round 11 we must have in each repetition 8 groups of 5 double crochet stitches, 7 front post triple crochet stitches and 1 chain 3 loop between the first and the second repetition. So in total we must have, so here 8 groups of 5 double crochet stitches, so 40 per repetition. So 4 repetitions, so 40 into 4, 160 double crochet stitches, 7 front post triple crochet in each repetition, so 7 into 4, 28 front post triple crochet stitches and 4 chain 3 loops. So now round 11 done. With this we finish with our part 5 of our Crochet the Sona Centerpiece as well. So if you like what you see, then do give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions for us, please leave them in the comment section below, and do subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon for instant notifications on our latest video tutorial. And I'll see you all in the next part of this video tutorial. Until then, take care, bye bye, and happy crocheting.